Hey everyone, welcome back to Knowvera English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma.
If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we're making English fun, natural, and super useful, just like two friends chatting over coffee, food, and now real personal stories.
Exactly. Last episode, we learned how to make small talk like a real local. Today, we're leveling up with something every American does almost every single day, talking about your hobbies and weekend plans like a pro.
Oh man, this is a big one. After you start small talk, people always ask, what do you do for fun or any plans for the weekend? You don't want to just say nothing. You want to sound confident, positive, and interesting, exactly like a local.
True, but don't worry, we're going to make it easy and fun. By the end of this episode, you'll sound like you've been sharing your hobbies and weekend plans with Americans your whole life. Ready?
Let's start with the basics. When someone asks about hobbies or weekend plans, keep it positive, short at first, then add a little detail. Always end with a question back so the conversation keeps going.
Now, the fun part, the most common topics.
Okay, Emma, let's go through the most popular hobbies and weekend plans that real Americans talk about every single day. I'll explain each one so everyone watching really gets the picture.
Yes. First one is hiking. Americans love getting outside on the weekend. You can say, I went hiking at the park. The view was amazing. It shows you enjoy nature and fresh air.
Exactly. Next is binge-watching shows. Super common. I spent the weekend binge-watching the new season of Stranger Things. Everyone understands relaxing with Netflix or Disney+.
Then we have working out or going to the gym. A lot of people say, I hit the gym on Saturday, felt so good after. It sounds active and healthy, even if you just did a short workout.
Now cooking or trying new recipes. This one feels warm and fun. I tried making homemade pizza on Sunday. It turned out pretty good. Americans love sharing food stories.
Don't forget road trips or short getaways. We took a little road trip to the beach. Perfect weather. It makes you sound adventurous without needing a big vacation.
And last but not least, video games or gaming. Lots of Americans say, I played video games with friends online all weekend. We had so much fun. It's a relaxed, modern hobby that everyone relates to.
See? Now you know exactly what to talk about and how to describe it naturally. That way you won't feel stuck when someone asks, what did you do this weekend? And don't forget the easy follow-ups. Americans love keeping the chat going with, that sounds awesome. What about you? I should try that sometime. Same here. I love that too.
Here's how a real conversation sounds. Listen carefully.
Hey, what are your plans for the weekend?
I'm going hiking on Saturday if the weather's nice. What about you? See? Short, positive, and you throw the question back. Super easy.
Now let's do a full role play together so you can hear it flow naturally. Alex, you just met someone at a coffee shop.
Hi, what do you usually do for fun on the weekends?
I love binge-watching shows and trying new recipes. How about you?
That sounds awesome. I usually go to the gym or play video games with friends. Last weekend, I tried a new hiking trail. It was beautiful.
No way! I need to try hiking too. Which show are you watching right now? Perfect. Notice how we added, that sounds awesome, and ask questions back. That little extra interest makes you sound like a real local.
Quick tip from me. If you're nervous, you can always say, not much, just relaxed or I'm planning to. It feels natural and honest.
Okay, your turn. Pause the video right now and practice out loud with us. Imagine someone asked you about your weekend. Say, I went hiking and tried a new recipe. It was so much fun. What about you? Go ahead, we'll wait.
Awesome job. You're already sounding like a pro.
One last thing, how to end the conversation politely. Just say, nice talking about this, or have a great weekend, and smile.
If you want to take it even further, you can ask questions like, what's your favorite hobby? Or any recommendations for good shows?
You've got this.
All right, everyone, that's how you talk about your hobbies and weekend plans like a pro. Next episode, we're going to learn how to talk about movies and TV shows like a local, because after hobbies, everyone loves sharing what they're watching.
If you enjoyed today's episode, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.
We love reading your comments too. Tell us what your favorite hobby is.
See you next time.
Keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!